Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick setup that I see here in Moderna. So we are having a nice pullback now into this zone 356.48 to 362.87. That does include some symmetrical support and a 786 retracement of that low to high swing. So you can put your stop just underneath that setup zone there. You are still able to use this higher time frame target if you like of 537 because we are still within the swing from the 10th of August to high to the 16th of August low. And the other thing I want to point out to you is that we are above the 200, we are above the 50, but the 5 and the 13 have crossed over to the downside. But your risk is defined. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, everyone.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me